As a high school kid, I was very focused on becoming a chef, working in top restaurants, opening my own place, and that path was pretty rigid in my mind, like this is what I'm going to do. Get a space, open the door, and run a restaurant and you'll be successful. That was my very naive opinion at the age of 17 or 18. I was working in an amazing restaurant in Vancouver and I was learning a lot about food and about cooking. But I started to realize that the whole world of running a business behind the scenes is really what makes or breaks it. You can be an amazing chef, but if you can't handle the marketing and the accounting and the finance and the human resources, there's a lot of short-lived restaurants that are open for 6 months or a year and just can't make it work financially. So I started to realize that to really set myself apart running any kind of business, the more hands-on experience combined with formal education I had, the better. I ended up signing up for business school without a real plan for where I wanted to go. The program at the School of Business here is very much focused on what's going on in the classroom, but also what you're doing as an individual outside of the classroom. So they're always looking to create opportunities or events that can get you in front of community members, get you meeting people, get you putting some of those interpersonal skills into practice. For me, it was an experience about building personal and professional skills that can apply to almost any type of job, any type of career path, like how to communicate effectively, how to set goals and put everything in motion to achieve them. So whether you want to become a chef or an accountant or a professional musician, these are skills that will make a huge impact on your life. Muley's is a business that is first and foremost about connecting people to their local food community. We create a lot of cured meats and sausages and charcuterie, and we sell them at our retail store, and we also sell them in restaurants. We also noticed that people were coming in looking for their favorite small batch artisan products, things that you could find at a farmer's market. So we dedicated about half our storefront to supporting other entrepreneurs and getting other products out into the neighborhood. One of the main reasons that I got involved in this business was that I loved working with food and I wanted a career that would allow me to do that every day. And I still enjoy that. I still have a lot of passion for cooking and getting in the kitchen. I think my focus started to shift. Rather than just like being here as a career milestone, it became who do I want to be as an individual and in my work? What sort of impact do I want to have? I do really feel like the education that I received has given me a foundation to be confident in taking on whatever comes next, whether it's here in this business or in a future role for the rest of my career. I've learned to be okay not knowing exactly what's going to happen, but knowing that I have the skills to get there, the skills to make it happen. My name is Peter Keith. I'm one of the owners of Muley's Food Market here in Edmonton and a recent graduate of the MBA program.